Hi guys and welcome in this new video. Today we will do something new in this channel. In fact, we will do some real life hacking. If you don't already know this website, it's called tryhackme.com. Basically, it's a platform where users create their own hackable virtual machine, so other users can try to hack them and complete the capture the flags or learn something from them. Today we will hack the Undone machine. I'll leave the link in the description. And now let's get started. So this is it. Here we can see the mission to complete. I will start scanning the machine's IP using Nmap. So as we can see, we have found port 80 open. That means that the machine has a web application. So if we type the IP in Firefox, we should see the website of the machine. The texts here don't seem to be interesting, so let's inspect the website with F12. Okay, there are no suspicious text here, so let's search for hidden directories on the website using GoBuster. We found a directory called Island, so let's search it on Firefox and see what we got. Okay, that's interesting. Let's inspect the website. Seems like there's a white text, so we can't see it. Let's take note of what we got since now. And let's relaunch GoBuster to the new directory. Okay, we got a new directory called 2100. Let's check it out. Okay, YouTube video. Let's inspect it. Okay, there is a comment telling us a file extension. Let's update the notes. Now let's launch GoBuster again, but this time it have to search for file extension ticket. In the meanwhile, we can answer to some questions. So for the first one, the answer is 2100. For the FTP username, we found out that it is Vigilante. Okay, GoBuster found a file called greenarrow.ticket. Let's check it out. Okay, we got a token. It seems to be encoded in some base type. Let's open up CyberChef and try to decode it. Base 58 seems to be the correct one. Copy it and update the notes. We can now answer to the second question. And also to the third one. So now let's access the FTP server and see what we can get. Vigilante is username. And then the password. And we are in. Looks like we got some images here. Let's download them all. Now let's check the images. I will use EXIF tool to check the integrity and the description of the image. Looks like this image is damaged. Let's check the hex dump of the image and see if we can repair it. Here is the problem. A normal PNG image would start with PNG text, and not XEO as we can see here. So let's search for the correct file signature. Now the image is repaired and we can open it. Okay, that's not a really secure password. I will check the images with StegGuide and see if maybe the creator has hidden something in them. Whoops, my bad. Let's type in password. And there it is. A zip file is hidden in the image. So now we can just use StegGuide to extract the zip. And now we can just unzip the file. Looks like we got a passive.txt in the shadow file. Okay, the passive.txt file is not that important. Let's check the shadow file. We got the password. I think this is the password for the SSH server. Let's update the nodes. Okay, now we just missed the username for connect to the SSH server. Let's try to go back to the FTP server and see if we can find it. Okay, there it is, the other user. It's called Slade. So now we can actually try to connect to the SSH server. Let's type in the password. And we are in. We can now get the first flag. So we can actually answer to the fourth question. And also to the fifth. Now we just need to get root privileges so we can access the root flag. Let's run sudo l and see what the user can run as root. Seems we can run pkexec as root. This program allows us to launch another command with root privileges. So if we launch /bin/bash with it, we should be able to get root. And there we are. We now have admin privileges in this computer. So we can just get the root flag and answer to the last question. And that was actually it for this video. I really hope you liked this new content. If yes, then consider to subscribe and like the video. And I will see you on the next one.